It's Rebecca, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, an installation, and a review on a pool filter. This pool filter was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open. Now it does come packaged very well in the box. Now this filtration system is very high tech and it's high performancing. You can tell by the way that the filter is here. I'll try to pull some apart. It is very, very tight and woven very well. How the top is, it seems very durable. You can tell that it's a very strong base. And the filtration on the fabric is very, very great. It's great because the fabric is a little bit thicker than normal. And all in all, this is going to do a great job keeping that sand, hair, and other sediments and things I don't want in my pool and keep my pool clear and clean.